The landscape of the tablet world is about to shift on its axis, and if you have been holding off on an upgrade, your patience is about to be rewarded in a way you never saw coming. We are standing on the precipice of a massive transition in the Apple ecosystem, specifically focusing on the most popular tablet in the world, the base model iPad. While the Pro and Air models often steal the headlines with their high price tags and overkill processing power, the upcoming iPad 12th generation is quietly becoming the most significant release of 2026. This isn't just another incremental update with a slightly faster chip. This is the year Apple finally bridges the gap between the budget consumer and the cutting-edge future of artificial intelligence. Reports from the inner circles of the supply chain suggest that the iPad 12 is currently in a state of rapid development, with internal testing focusing on a hardware leap we haven't seen in this category for over half a decade. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Asterisk as we look toward the rumored May window and the subsequent summer updates. The excitement is reaching a fever pitch because for the first time, the affordable iPad will no longer be the compromised iPad. The core of the excitement surrounding the iPad 12th generation lies in what's happening under the hood. For years, Apple has used a specific strategy, put an older chip in the base iPad to keep costs down. But the era of Apple Intelligence has changed the rules of the game. Industry insiders and reputable leakers like Mark Gurman are signaling that the iPad 12 will skip the generational ladder and likely land with either the A18 or the A19 chip. This is a monumental shift. By moving to a 3nm architecture, Apple isn't just giving you more speed for opening apps. They're enabling a level of on-device processing that was previously reserved for the $1,000 Pro models. Imagine a budget-friendly tablet that can handle complex generative AI tasks, real-time language translation, and advanced photo manipulation without breaking a sweat. This move is born out of necessity. Apple cannot have its most popular education and family device locked out of the AI revolution that is defining iOS and iPadOS. This chip upgrade isn't just a spec bump. It's a total reimagining of what a $349 to $449 device can do. Beyond the processor, we need to talk about the memory. One of the biggest bottlenecks for the current entry-level iPad has been its RAM. With the iPad 12, leaks suggest a jump to 8 GB of RAM as the new standard. This is the magic number required to run Apple's most advanced large language models locally on the device. When you combine that with a potential storage increase, rumors suggest the base model will finally ditch 64 GB and start at a much more usable 128 GB. The value proposition becomes undeniable. For the student who needs to multitask between research papers, video calls, and creative projects, or the professional who needs a reliable secondary device, the iPad 12 is shaping up to be a powerhouse in disguise. The internal code names J581 and J582, which have been spotted in recent regulatory filings, hint that Apple is preparing two variants, likely focusing on different connectivity tiers, but both sharing this massive performance foundation. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the design. While some are hoping for a complete Pro-style overhaul with ultra-thin bezels, the leaks coming out of April and heading into May 2026 suggest a more refined, evolutionary approach. Apple understands that the 10.9-inch form factor is the Goldilocks zone for most users. It's portable enough for a backpack, but large enough for immersive media. Expect the iPad 12 to maintain its sleek, flat-edged aluminum chassis, but with subtle refinements in weight and thermal management. The display will likely remain a liquid retina LCD panel to keep the price point accessible, but don't let that fool you. There are whispers of a new, vibrant coating that could reduce glare and improve outdoor visibility, a common complaint among students who use their tablets in diverse lighting conditions. The landscape-oriented front-facing camera, which was a huge hit on the 10th and 11th generations, is here to stay, ensuring that your Zoom calls and FaceTime sessions feel natural and professional. As we look to are the specific May leaks, the conversation has shifted toward connectivity and accessories. We are hearing strong reports that the iPad 12 will be the first entry-level model to feature Wi-Fi 7 support. In a world where home networks are becoming faster and more congested, Wi-Fi 7 will ensure that the iPad 12 remains future-proof for the next 5 to 7 years. Furthermore, the inclusion of the N1 wireless chip, the same one found in the latest flagship iPhones, will bring enhanced Bluetooth stability and precision tracking for accessories. Speaking of accessories, there is significant chatter about a revised Magic Keyboard Folio that is lighter and more durable, aimed specifically at the education market. Apple wants the iPad 12 to be the MacBook for everyone else, and providing a top-tier typing experience is a huge part of that strategy. The timing of these leaks is no coincidence. As we move deeper into the spring of 2026, Apple is gearing up for its big software reveals at WWDC. They need hardware that can actually run the features they are about to announce. This is why the iPad 12 is so pivotal. If the rumors of a May announcement or a late spring press release hold true, it would position the iPad 12 perfectly for the back-to-school season. The competitive landscape has changed. With rivals offering high refresh rate screens and AI features at lower prices, Apple is under pressure to deliver a knockout product. The iPad 12 is their answer. It's a device designed to dominate the mid-range market by offering the most seamless, powerful, and intelligent experience possible without the Pro price tag. But what about the battery life? This is where the efficiency of the A18/A19 chip truly shines. Even with the increased demands of AI and high-speed connectivity, early testing leaks suggest that Apple is targeting a true all-day battery that exceeds the traditional 10-hour benchmark. By optimizing the background processes and utilizing the efficiency cores of the new silicon, the iPad 12 could potentially offer 12 to 14 hours of continuous light use, making it the ultimate travel companion. Charging speeds are also expected to get a modest bump, moving toward a 30W wired standard through the USB-C port, allowing you to top up half your battery in a fraction of the time. These small quality-of-life improvements are what transform a good tablet into an essential tool that you never want to put down. As we analyze the market data for the USA and premium international markets, it's clear that the war for the tablet is being fought in the $400 range. The iPad 12th generation isn't just competing with other tablets. It's competing with budget laptops and Chromebooks. By providing a device that is faster than most entry-level PCs, has a better camera for video calls, and supports a world-class stylus experience with the Apple Pencil, Apple is making a move to consolidate its lead. The iPad 12 is being positioned as the smartest device in its class. Whether you're an artist looking for a digital canvas, a parent looking for a durable device for your child, or a professional needing a reliable companion for on-the-go work, the 12th generation is shaping up to be the definitive choice of 2026.